Hi everyone, this is Renu Nadiandi and today I will share you how to create a National Pizza Day poster. First I will use a red background. I will add a text pizza and I will use a tall font like 6 cap. I will change the color to yellow and then I will add another text national and I will change the font to not a slim like this but bold Archivo black. I will resize it national. I will change the color to white. I will duplicate it and type day. I will increase the size and also the line, the letter spacing. Alright, and then I will add an element of pizza. I will use this one, pizza in round pan, like this. And then let's add some ornament like this one. I will reduce the size, place it here, and let's find the other. Let's use this one. Reduce the size and then rotate, and I will place it here. And then I will add this one. Go to edit photo, add a blur, whole image, add the intensity to 73 or 75 and then reduce the transparency and lower the size. I will place it here. So now we have a National Pizza Day poster and see you next video. Have fun with Canva.